Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying what exactly is wrong: misinformation, a bad link, or unclear context, and collect proof immediately: screenshots, timestamps, and the tweet URL. Once done, choose your objective. Correct the author, request moderation, or add clarifying context. Make sure to note who posted it and whether it violates rules. This determines your route. Now act quickly. Draft a calm reply, prepare a report, or assemble a thread with sourced corrections so you can move forward with confidence. You now engage directly. Reply or quote tweet with concise corrections and links to primary sources because clarity increases impact. If the topic needs depth, build a short thread to explain evidence and reasoning. Link to reputable sources and label opinions versus facts. Meanwhile, if the content breaches platform rules, submit a report using the specific violations option and attach your evidence. Make sure to keep tone neutral. Civil language avoids escalation and makes moderators and bystanders more receptive to your correction. Finish by monitoring the conversation. Respond to reasonable pushback, correct any mistakes you made, and update your thread when new evidence emerges. If your correction is ignored or the account repeats the issue, escalate. Contact platform support, use appeals, or involve recognized fact-checking organizations. Make sure to archive your evidence in case you need to reopen the case. If something fails, remember a common glitch is caching or API delay. Reload. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then retry your report or post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.